Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today we're going to learn how to create an international phone number, USA number to be precise, with these two apps, the VPN that will hide our IP, and also the Textnow, the app that is going to make the number available for us. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It helps a lot. Thank you. So open the VPN app after you've downloaded it. Then choose a USA server and toggle on the VPN mode to connect to the internet on a VPN connection. So wait until you see the 100% bootstrap here and you're ready. Open your Textnow app right now. After opening the app, you have to sign up. So you will get to see the interface just right now. So you click on the sign up button. After clicking on the button, you fill in your active email address and email address that you can access. Then use your password, a strong password recommended. So after you've done that, you will be asked to verify your account through CAPTCHA, or it will just load and verify by itself. So that's what's going on right now. Then please always don't use my location. It's very advised, don't use my location, and type an area code you want. I use 718. Then choose the number that pops up. I choose number 2, that is available numbers. I choose the second available numbers, and you can see right now my account is set up. My interface just open. You can see I can make call messages and all the stuff. It's just popping up. So I choose what I want to do with the account, and my number will be there. So press and hold to copy your number. You open your Textnow, your Telegram app or your WhatsApp app, depending on what you want to use it for. I use my Telegram, so I open my Telegram app and I add an account. There I'm going to choose the country. I'm using a number for like USA. It's an USA number, so I'm going to choose USA, that is +1. Then copy and paste the number inside there. Then I will get a confirmation code. So where I get a confirmation code from is from the Textnow app. So I'll get to the Textnow app to receive the confirmation code there right now. So I copy that confirmation code and go back to my Telegram to paste it there, or just write it out there, just like right now. You can see it's verifying now, and yeah, my account is set. I'm putting the name. You can put any name you want. Maybe a business name, a business account, depending on what you want to use it for. It's just on your personal preference. So I'm going to just use my hashtag MANIAC, just like that, and you can see everything is set up right now. So I hope you understand a lot from this video. It's very short and very educating for me. I don't know. So thank you all for viewing my videos and all the stuff. I really appreciate. So please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, hit me up on the comment box if you're lacking some ideas on some stuff, or you want more clarity on everything. Thank you.